Don Luke Electronics. The Alpha Geek, geeking out. If you go to bed at night without learning something new that day, your day is not complete. Luke Paquin, 1973. Project number 28, Sensors, MMA7361, Mk14. SparkFun Triple-Axis Accelerometer Breakout, MMA7361. This is a breakout board for Freescale's MMA7361L 3-axis analog MEMS accelerometer. The sensor requires a very low amount of power and has a G-select input which switches the accelerometer between plus or minus 1.5 G and plus or minus 6 G measurement ranges. Other features include a sleep mode, signal conditioning, a one-pole low-pass filter, temperature compensation, self-test, and 0G detect which detects linear free fall. 0G offset and sensitivity are factory set and require no external devices. This breadboard-friendly board breaks out every pin of the MMA7361L to a 9-pin, 0.1 pitch header. The sensor works on power between 2.2 and 3.6 VDC, 3.3 volt optimal, and typically consumes just 400 A of current. All three axes have their own analog output. -2 selectable measuring ranges, plus or minus 1.5 G, plus or minus 6 G. Breadboard friendly, 0.1 pitch header. Low current consumption, 400 A. Sleep mode, 3A. Low voltage operation, 2.2 volt, 3.6 volt. High sensitivity, 800 mV/G at 1.5 G. Fast turn on time, 0.5 milliseconds. Enable response time. Self-test for free fall detect diagnosis. -0G detect for free fall protection. Signal conditioning with low-pass filter. Robust design, high shock survivability.
Now the accelerometer here. So here, SparkFun plus here, switch, battery, the date and time, and the accelerometer here. And that's it. This simple. Now the project here in programming here, pins for this for project, tools, and that's it. This switch here, the Arduino Pro Plus here, battery here, the date and time, and accelerometer. So perfect. Project here, the Bluetooth keyboard here, wire here, the switch here, and a brief for date and time. Here, keyboard, Bluetooth here, and message here, time and date, accelerometer here, this, and this, the here, and read here, switch here, and version here. So date and time, this accelerometer here, and switch here, this, the switch, Bluetooth, and go to computer, and delay 1 second. Simple. This accelerometer here, this red here and here and here, and keyboard here, and this here, this and this, and that's it for computer. The keyboard, the Bluetooth keyboard here, and this good, and return, and that's it. Date and time set up here, and the date and time, this nothing here, date and time, and keyboard here, and sensor date and time, and that's it. Set up here, the Bluetooth keyboard here, wire here, date and time set up, and the LEDs for the computer, the Arduino, and that's it. This first, the battery here, and this LEDs for here, and see the switch here, and now the computer here, and see this, and good. So now the switch gone, and that's it. Now the project here, and the computer here. So now see here and here here, and see perfect. Now the computer and keyboard. So perfect. Bye.
Don Luke Electronics. https://www.jlpconsultants.com/luc. JLP Consultants. Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram.